Hello everyone. Today we will prove Heron's formula. So Heron's formula is root s minus a, s minus b and s minus c, where s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. Here a, b and c are the sides of the triangle. So to prove this, we will need a triangle ABC. And we will mark the sides of the triangle as AB as small a, BC as small b and AC as small c. Now we will drop a perpendicular AD on the base BC. This perpendicular will be known as height, that is h. Now we can see there are two division between it, BD and DC. So let's suppose BD is x, then DC will be b minus x. So this is our construction. Now let's start proof. Here we can see two triangles. First is ADB and ADC. So in triangle ADB, AD is perpendicular to BC, where we can say that hypotenuse square, we will apply Pythagoras theorem in it, and it will be like hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is AB, that is A, so A square is equals to perpendicular is H, so it is H square plus base is our X, that is BD, so X square. Now we will change the position, so x square will be equal to a square minus h square. So this will be our first equation. X will be equals to here square, then it will go under root. So it will be under root a square minus x square. Now we will take the another triangle, that is ADC. In triangle ADC, here hypotenuse is C, it will be C square, is equals to height, perpendicular is our height, that is h square, and our base will be b minus x, that is b minus x whole square. So as you can see, b minus x whole square is looking as the identity a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So c square is equals to h square plus b square plus x square minus 2bx. Now from the first equation we can see the value of x is a square minus h square. So we will interchange it, x square plus b square plus a square minus h square minus 2bx. Here you can see this is a positive x square and this is negative x square, so they will get cancelled. Now it remains c square is equals to b square plus a square minus 2bx. Now we will arrange it, so it will become, we will take this here, 2bx will become b square plus a square minus c square. Here 2b is multiplying with x, so in left hand side it will become division. So x will equals to b square plus a square minus c square upon 2b. So this is the value of x. Now moving to next, x is from the equation 1, we will put the value of x, that is root a square minus h square. So putting the value from equation 1, that is root a square minus h square is equals to b square plus a square minus c square upon 2b. As you can see, this is root, then when it will go to left hand side it will become whole square. So a square minus h square is equals to b square plus a square minus c square whole square upon 2b whole square. Now we will take the 2b square as 4b square. So a square minus h square is equals to b square plus a square minus c square whole square upon 4b square. Now we will take the value of h square in positive. So h square will be equals to, we will take the a square in left hand side. So it will be a square minus b square plus a square minus c square whole square upon 4b square. Now here we will do cross multiplication 4b square to a square. So it will be h square is equals to 4a square b square minus b square plus a square minus c square whole square, and it will be whole divided by 4b square. Now we can write 2a square b square as 2ab whole square. So h square is equals to 2ab whole square minus b square plus a square minus c square whole square upon 4b square. As you can see, it is making an identity, that is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, as we know, it is equals to a minus b in bracket a plus b. So we will open it similarly. H square will be equals to 2ab minus b square minus a square plus c square in one bracket, and 2ab plus b square plus a square minus c square in one bracket upon 4b square. Now as we can see, c square and c square are common in both. So we will make it h square is equals to c square 2ab minus b square minus a square. Here it will take minus c square 2ab plus b square plus a square whole divided by 4b square. Now here you can see it is making an identity. A square minus b square, and it is a square plus b square. So we will write as h square is equals to a square minus b square, a minus b whole square minus c square a plus b whole square upon 4b square. Now here as we can see, so as you can see, here is again making the pattern of a square minus b square, that is a minus b and a plus b. So here a is c and b is a minus b. So make it as c square is equals to c square minus a plus b. C minus a plus b. Here it will become c plus a minus b. Now c plus a minus b, c minus a plus b. Now we whole divided by 4b square. Now as we can see here square in h, so we will make it under root there. So h will equals to under root c minus a plus b, c plus a minus b, c plus a minus b, and c minus a plus b whole divided by 4b square. So now this is our third equation. Now we will move to the triangle ABC again, and as we know, the formula of area of triangle is 1 by 2b into h. So triangle ABC area will be 1 by 2b into h. In the triangle ABC, the b is small b and the h is equals to this. So we will put the third equation here. That is c minus a plus b, c plus a minus b, a plus b minus c, a plus b plus c upon 2b. As you can see, here is b and here is also b. It will be cancelled and the denominator 2 will be multiplied with each other. So it will become c minus a plus b, c plus a minus b, a plus b minus c, a plus b plus c whole divided by 4. We will write it 1 by 4. Now as we know that s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2, s is equals to a plus b plus c by 2. From here we will calculate the value of a, b and c. So we can write it as, we will multiply it as, so it will be 2s is equals to a plus b plus c. So if we have to, we will interchange it and we will write a plus b plus c is equals to 2s. If we have to find the value of a, b plus c, it will be 2s minus a, left hand side, then it will become minus a. After a plus c will become 2s minus b and a plus b will become 2s minus c. Now we put the value of these into this. So it will be like root c, c minus a is, we can also write it as 2s, 2s, it will go there, it will become 2s minus c, and okay. Now by putting the value of c minus a plus b, it will be c plus b is equals to, as we can see, 2s minus a. So 2s minus a, and here minus a also. Now c plus a is equals to 2s minus b and minus b. After that a plus b is equals to 2s minus c and minus c. Then a plus b plus c is equals to 2s. Now minus a and minus a under root 2s, minus a and minus a is minus 2a in bracket, minus b and minus b is 2s minus 2b, 2s minus 2c and 2s. Now as you can see, in every case there is 2 in common, so we will make it common. That will be 2s minus a, 2s minus b, 2s minus c and 2s. So 2 in bracket, 2 into here 2 and this one and this, and s minus a, s minus b and s minus c and s. and outside it is 1 by 4. This one. 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now here are 4 2's, then it is under root, then we will take 2 2's outside, it will become 4. So 1 by 4 into 4, and inside it is s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So 4 1s are 4, it will be cancelled. So our final formula becomes s under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Hence Heron's formula is proved. Thank you.